My mirror shows the other side of me. All these ones and zeros, nothing in between. But there's so much more to me than eyes can see. Than eyes can see. I'm not binary.
I know. They told us men are cheaters. Don't trust them. They don't worth trust. But believe me, they have insecurity problems more than you imagine. Don't be afraid of trusting a man. Trusting a man is not a crime. The only thing that you have to do is trust yourself. If he left or cheated, you're the same person. Your happiness, it's within you. Nothing, no one has the power over your feeling. Do you know that there are studies about how to analyze people's behavior and features? And there are other things that can be part of that analysis, which is our intuition. Since we have it, we should appreciate it. It's a power which we have to take care of and believe in. Do you know that feeling of something is wrong, especially when you meet someone for the first time? I'm not talking here about first impression. I'm talking about gut feelings. Your gut telling you what the other one is not telling you. If you have a best friend and you feel that she or he is hiding something, 90% it's true. Believe your gut. It sees something that you can't see. You can easily learn to read people. If that person is hiding something or lying to you. But that's not the point. You know they are lying. You know they are hiding something. But your energy brighter and delightful than anything around you. That's how it should be. Know yourself first, then learn to observe people. And you will be shocked about the amount of information they give you without speaking. I'm gonna give you one example. And try it. If it works, comment below and tell me. Speak calmly with someone you used to be nervous around, and you will see. Either he or she will get nervous, or they will try to make you nervous again. Then you will understand that people play games all the time. It's not as you think. I'm not telling you to learn the game and play with people's emotions. I'm just opening your eyes to see behind the smiles and to open your heart to forgive, forget, and move on. It may sound easy, but it's not. One last thing that they didn't tell us, and they will not tell you too. Getting older is great. You stop giving shit about what they think of you. You care less about so many things. You see things differently. You like your own quality time. And the list goes on. So appreciate it, enjoy it, and remember, you live only once. Have a good day.
Irony. My mirror shows the other side of me. All these ones and zeros, nothing in between. But there's so much more to me than eyes can see. Than eyes can see. I'm not binary. Than eyes can see. I'm not binary. Than eyes can see. I'm not binary.